The Egyptian Air Force is exploring the acquisition of Chinese J-10C and J-31 fighter jets as part of its efforts to modernize its fleet. According to Army Recognition's report, this move positions China as a significant secondary supplier amidst Egypt's intricate relationships with Russia and the United States. The J-10C, known for its advanced capabilities and cost efficiency, and the stealthy J-31, aimed at countering Israel's F-35s, are under consideration. This initiative arises as Egypt seeks to diversify its military assets due to ongoing sanctions on Russia and the close U.S. relationship with Israel. Recent discussions between Egyptian and Chinese officials have highlighted this interest. Lieutenant General Mahmoud Fouad Abdel Gawad, commander of the Egyptian Air Force, met with General Chang Dingqiu, his Chinese counterpart, in Beijing to discuss the potential sale of these advanced fighter jets. Egypt has a history of purchasing Chinese military equipment, including Xi'an H-6 bombers and J-6 fighters, and has shown increasing interest in advanced fighters since late 2022. The Chengdu J-10C, a fourth-generation, single-engine, multi-role fighter developed by Chengdu Aircraft Industry Corporation (CAC), boasts advanced electronic warfare systems and an active electronically scanned array AESA radar. It supports multi-role capabilities with targeting pods, laser-guided bombs, and air-to-air missiles. The J-10C, which entered service with the Chinese Air Force in December 2017, is operated by China and Pakistan. Egypt is interested in acquiring a dozen units, with the lower cost compared to Western and Russian fighters being a significant selling point. The Shenyang J-31, also known as the FC-31, is a fifth-generation, twin-engine stealth fighter developed by Shenyang Aircraft Corporation. The J-31 made its maiden flight in 2012 and is intended for roles such as close air support, aerial bombing, and interdiction operations. It features advanced stealth characteristics, including an internal weapons bay and a diverterless supersonic inlet design, enhancing radar evasion capabilities. The aircraft is equipped with modern avionics, including an AESA radar, IRST systems, and an electro-optical targeting system. The J-31 can be equipped with PL-10 short-range missiles and PL-12 medium-range air-to-air missiles. It can carry 8 deep penetration bombs of 500 kilograms each and 30 smaller bombs, with 6 external hardpoints and an internal bay. The J-31 is powered by 2 Klimov RD-33 engines, achieving speeds of 2,200 km h Mach 1.8 and a range of 4,000 km. Its potential export to Egypt would mark the first international sale, unless Pakistan orders it first.